Hello guys, Carlos here from Computer Fix UK and Everything Tech. Today I've got another something for you. This is the new Nikkor 50mm 1.8G lenses with AFS. These are the 1.8G. They have got a motor inside and you'll be able to zoom even with cameras that haven't got a motor, like the D30-100, D50-100 and so on. So I'm going to unbox this product for you today. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Welcome back guys. So we're going to unbox the Nikon lenses, the AFS Nikkor 50mm F1.8G. These lenses are going to be stuck in my camera forever because I really love the 50mm and I love that you can really open the aperture all the way to 1.8, and I really love the fact that you can blur and make beautiful bokeh, whatever it's called, with this lenses, which is blurred background. So now I'm gonna open them up for you. As you can see, it's got a security stamp. I haven't touched them yet, but I will in a second. Okay. A bit tough to come off. There we go. Oh, it's tough to open, eh? Just get that out of the way. And okay, we're in. So in the box, first we have a bag, and yeah, just a bag. I'll open that in a minute. And then we've got the lenses. They come in very nice, strange package. Here we have the lens head, and I'll put that aside for a moment. And furthermore, inside the box we've got service facilities list. We've got the warranty, Nikon warranty, and a manual. Strangely enough, they put a manual with these lenses. So in obviously all these languages here. So okay, let's have a look at this. This is a little bag, I would assume, that comes with to put the lenses in. And as I thought, yep, that's what it is. A little bag, a little Nikon bag to put the lenses in. So nothing to see, pretty standard. I'm just going to put it in. And I'm going to have a look at the lenses. Afraid of breaking it. Okay. And here we are. So we've got the HB47 Nikon lens head. Okay, that one. And we've got Nikon lenses, which is AFS. I don't know if you can see that. AFS Nikkor 50mm 1.8G. It's got a little metering there, strange. And obviously the button for manual and automatic, so it means that you can focus the lens, although it's in this mode, manually. And that's just manual, so the autofocus will not work on there. So these are autofocus lens. So SWM spherical 58, so it's got a 58mm thread, as you can see there. And that's it, that's what they look like. Not much to see. And that's it. So this is my unboxing of the Nikon 50mm AFS F1.8G. I hope you like this video. Please check my other videos. I'm bringing you some videos regarding the D3100 very soon. I'm still testing it. I'm taking lots and lots of photos and videos to make sure that I get the best coverage for you, the most biased coverage for you. So stay tuned, and I will also bring you some coverage with these lenses as well when I bring you the D3100 coverage. So stay tuned, and this is my unboxing of the AFS Nikkor 50mm F1.8G lenses. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.